Today, I'm sharing with you an off-road electric pallet truck. This rugged-looking equipment is sure to impress you. This equipment can lift up to 1,500 kilograms, and its mast can extend to a height of 3 meters, making it fully capable of handling standard warehouse operations. High-capacity traction battery delivers continuous operation for up to 5 hours. Featuring adjustable straddle legs for versatile pallet compatibility. This equipment integrates an anti-skid pedal stand to ensure safe and stable operation. Its heavy-duty build combines a reinforced structure with user-friendly operation, wide adaptability across applications, and minimal maintenance requirements. The distance between the two forks is also adjustable to accommodate cargo of various sizes. What do you think of this outdoor pallet stacker? Feel free to leave your comments below.